Hello, future officers. Welcome to Decoded once again. I hope all of you are doing very, very well and your preparation for UPSC Civil Services Prelims Examination 2026 is also going very well. So, if you have any query regarding CSAT or you want to have personalized one-to-one CSAT mentorship where we have helped many students clear CSAT, you can contact us at 9910811164. Okay, so after analyzing your need for CSAT in the personalized mentorship program, will help you design a program for yourself. The program you'll be designing yourself so that you can overcome the difficulties which you are facing at CSAT. Now, moving further, in the last video, we talked about that why you are failing at CSAT. In that, we discussed about the red why. So according to red why people are failing CSAT is because they are considering CSAT as a subject. CSAT is not a subject, it's a skill. And to master any skill, you need daily practice. What people are doing is कि 1 month before the examination, they'll start preparing for CSAT. Or they will just keep on watching the lecture and would not practice CSAT daily. At these coded will help you practice at least 5 to 6 CSAT questions every day so that at the end of the month, you have practiced at least 150 to 200 questions. Okay. Now we have already talked about the red Y. Now we'll move on to the green Y. That according to green Y, why you guys are failing at CSAT. So guys, have you ever wondered that why UPSC is asking such a difficult CSAT paper every year, whose level is increasing again and again day by day? The answer lies in itself that by clearing UPSC civil services examination, what you'll become? You'll become an officer. So through CSAT, they're trying to check your core officer like qualities. If you lag in any of these qualities, then you are not able to clear CSAT. These qualities are effective intelligence, reasoning ability, power of expression, and organizing ability. So now, how through CSAT paper they check your these qualities? Now, effective intelligence basically means that if you are given some complex form of information or data, you are able to use the data information and come out of the problem. In CSAT paper, they give you very, very complex problems. Okay. And if you are able to solve those complex problems or complex questions and arrive at the answer, then you have the effective intelligence. Now, how they check your reasoning ability? They check your reasoning ability by providing you the questions based on logical thinking. Okay. These questions are like your sequence and series ones and other questions. Now, how they check your power of expression? So every year, approximately 25 to 26 questions are based on your reading comprehension. So if you have a very clear thought process or your power of expression is very, very clear, then you will be easily able to solve the reading comprehension. Now, the last one being the organizing ability. Now, you will be wondering that how through a objective type of paper, organizing ability can be checked. Now, guys, UPSC is making the paper very, very tough. Even for the people who have a very good command at mathematics or logical reasoning, they also cannot solve the full paper in 2 hours. Okay, so if you have the capacity or the capability of selecting questions which can help you clear the 33% mark threshold easily, then you have the organizing ability. So, in a limited time, in a limited time of 2 hours. Okay. If you have the ability to select the questions which can help you clear the 33% cutoff, then you definitely have the organizing ability. So if you have this effective intelligence, reasoning ability, power of expression, organizing ability, then you'll definitely be able to clear CSAT and you can become the IS officers, you can become the IFS, or you can become the IPS. Okay. Now moving further to the next Y, that is your blue Y. All other Ys are some type of quality. Okay. But the blue Y is very, very important because if you are lacking on the blue eye, then how much ever you try will not be able to clear the paper. Why? Because blue eye requires you to pick up the pattern of the PYQ. That what kind of questions UPSC is asking again and again. If you pay attention to what kind of PYQs they are asking again and again, then you would be knowing the approach to solve these questions because every year UPSC is asking the same questions. Same questions are asked. They just tweak some of the data or something and they'll keep on asking the same questions again and again. Okay, let's take the example. Every year, 3 to 4 questions are asked on the pattern that instead of numbers being given in the form of 2, 4, 3, 2, 3, or 17 or 18, the numbers are given in the form of ABC or XY. Okay, numbers are given in the form of ABC or XY. So if any candidate who has analyzed the PYQ, he would be knowing that any number, if it's given in the form of ABC, can be expressed as A into 100 plus 10 into B plus C. Or if number is given as XY, then it can be expressed at 10 into X plus Y. And now UPSC would, different years, they'll be asking like what can be the value of A, what can be the value of B or C or ABC together, or how many possible values of this number ABC exist. Okay. Taking one more example, they will be forming sequence and series question generally where a number would first be multiplied with 1, then it would be multiplied, no, sorry, the number would first be multiplied by zero point 0.5, then it would be multiplied by 1, then it would be multiplied by 1.5, and then would be multiplied by 2. For example, you can see this question where 1 is multiplied by first zero point 0.5, we get zero point 0.5. Then the answer comes out zero point 0.5, then zero point 0.5 is multiplied by 1, we again get zero point 0.5. Now zero point 0.5 is multiplied by 1.5, we get 7.5. Now this 7.5 is multiplied by 2 and we get 15. So this pattern keeps on repeating in every year in the PYQs. Similarly, one more example can be taken, like they'll be giving you a pattern where 1 is multiplied by 1, 11 is multiplied by 11, triple 1 is multiplied by triple 1, 4 times 1 is multiplied by 4 times 1. In the last 10 years, 5 to 6 times this type of pattern has been repeated. In number in the alphabetical series, they would be giving you like if A is given already, then after 3 places of A, E would come. Then after 4 places of E, J would come. Now they will expect you that 3 is there, now 4 is there, so next would be 5. So after 5 places, what would come? P. So they'll ask you this type of question. So every year, these kind of patterns are repeating again and again. If you would have analyzed the PYQ and you practice according to that, then the question would be very, very easy for you. So guys, at these coded, what we'll do is we will help you learn CSAT as a skill. We'll help you develop OLQ and will help you solve the questions based on this pattern. If you know the pattern, then you will be knowing that how to approach the question and arrive at the answer. So if you can do it on your own, it's good. Otherwise, you can follow our program which starts from 10th of January 2026, where we'll be giving you a system based approach. This system based approach is used by athletes, bigger businessmen, and the successful people to achieve the bigger goals. Okay, we'll design a system for you so that you can clear the CSAT. Further, if you like to have a personalized one-to-one CSAT sessions, then you can contact us at 9910811164. Through this personalized one-to-one session, we have already been working on the systematic approach to guide various of our students to clear the CSAT. So if you wish to do that, you can contact us on this number. Thank you very much. Jai Hind. You'll all will clear the examination. Thank you.